Alright, today we are going to look at how to set up a Farmtek Polaris and a data controller to get data and times and scores read into ScoreView from the Farmtek. So right now I've got my Farmtek Polaris. I've got the output port of the Farmtek Polaris going into a COM port on my computer. And you can check which COM port it's going into by looking at your device manager and identifying which one of those is the Polaris. So I'm starting from a new project here, and if you're starting from a new project, you don't have one already, you can just grab any graphic. I'm just going to grab this little clock graphic here, and to add the data controller, we're going to click right here in the project tab. We're going to click add source. We're going to go to sports, hardware scoreboard. We're going to go to Farmtek Polaris. Now you're going to get the hardware scoreboard widget down here. For the serial port, you'll select that COM port that your Polaris is connected to. And then we have two variables here. Time score 7 is for any rodeo event besides cutting. And time score 8 is for cutting. So right now I'm on cutting. So if you look, you can see the data comes through properly formatted on time score 8. If I change to any other event, like barrel racing, for instance, it will not come through on time score 8, but it will come through on time score 7. So you just need to, whichever event you're doing, you just need to connect the proper variable to your graphic. So over here, there's a link data button. You can grab one of these, and this isn't fully formatted for this clock, so it's going to look a little strange. But that's how you can link the data to your own graphic. Now, we also have a project already built for this. So if we go to File, we can go to Open Project. We don't care to save the one we just made. And I've got the project in my documents. So I'm going to scroll down and select it, Rodeo, right here. And what this is going to do is it's automatically going to pull up two graphics for us. The first one is a rodeo timer graphic, and this is for all of the events besides cutting. And the data controller is already pulled in, and the data is already connected. So you can see here my rodeo data updates from my Farmtek. And if I go to cutting timer and I change my Farmtek to the cutting event, and then I run that, you can see I get my cutting timer there.